Hello guys, welcome back to TS Tech Talks video. So today we are going to be hiding some annoying people's stories. Sorry, they might not be annoying, forgive. How to hide someone's story from displaying on your story. So for some reason you don't like some people's story and you just want to hide them because you don't want to see them because they post inappropriate story that are related to yours. So all you need to do is just to go over to the person's profile, click on it, and then click on this area, and you're going to notice it says mute the person's name, whatever the person's name is. Once you click on mute the person's name, you will notice that you will stop seeing their story, but you will remain friends with them, but you will stop seeing their stories. So once you mute it, that means you've actually hide their story, so you won't be able to see their story anymore. Now if you back out, you can notice the person's story is no longer showing. It's supposed to be showing next to your story, so you can notice the person's story is no longer showing. So this is pretty easy, and this is how to hide or mute someone's stories from displaying on your video. Some people use hide, some people use mute. Mute is the right word, but I'll just say how to hide someone's story. So that's pretty it. Hope you guys like this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment below if you have some confusing question or a question you don't have on my channel. So please leave a comment if you like the video also, and share it with your friends so that more people will be able to watch it. I do appreciate it.